How does your family view you? Your family may view you as someone that does not want to get married. You don't want to expand and have a family. For some of you, this could be what your mother feels about you. They may feel like you want to be an eligible bachelor and you are not looking for a partnership. This could lead to a certain disappointment with a mother figure because maybe your mum wants grandchildren and they feel like you're not looking for love. You're happy on your own and you prefer to have love for self. They may also feel like you want to be single and ready to mingle, and you prefer to have friends over a romantic relationship. If you are a female listening to this, same kind of applies because your family may feel like you do not enjoy being a parent or you do not want to become a parent. They may feel like you are in love. There could be some type of new relationship, that you are in. This could be a new love. And they may feel like this love is exciting. It's moving too fast. You got into this relationship very quickly. There's some judgment here though, because some of you could have children. I'm hearing the word jealousy. Okay. Some family members could be jealous because you could be a single parent and you may have been single for a long time and you've met someone who loves you deeply and there is a lot of love that is felt, that is seen, and it may have got someone all up in their feelings. So someone could be acting very erratic by the fact that you are in a loving relationship, you are with a partner that is not an F-boy or an F-girl, someone that values you. Maybe this person, whoever this family member is, right? Maybe they thought that you would never, that they got this very lack mindset, because I feel like this family member, they could live their life quite recklessly. And I feel like they just assume that because you have children, okay, how can I put this? This family member doesn't like to be tied down, right? So they feel like they've got more advantage than you. But what they don't understand is that they keep picking up F-boys or F-girls. And this family member was in a pursuit to beat you. Maybe they thought they had more access to, people to date than you did because you had children. They felt like it was a boundary that you would be able to date or you would get a certain caliber of partner. And I feel like you've got this partner that loves you deeply. This person is very sophisticated, very classy, elegant. Everything that they thought that you shouldn't have or that they thought you will not have access to. And on top of that, this person loves you deeply. And this individual's crashing out. And this person feels like, when did this happen? This connection's moving too fast. It's almost as if this individual feels like they have the say-so as to when you should date or who you should date. So there's a jealous family member that's jealous of your love life. They're angry that you are not single anymore and that you are in a soulmate connection. I'm hearing from spirit that this person that you are in a connection with has come back from the past. For some of you, it could be an ex-partner. I'm more picking up that it could be someone from your past life that is come back into this life to finish off a relationship that didn't get off the ground in the past. So whoever this family member is, they're literally, and if they're angry at destiny, to put it blunt. But yeah, your family members do see you as someone, I'm hearing, that is a workaholic, someone that needs to take a rest, someone that needs a break. You could have children, you could have your own business, And your family members may feel like you need to take time out for self-care, and they may feel like you're draining yourself out. But at the same time, your family members do see you as someone that does prioritize downtime, that does have a lot of self-respect and love for themselves. Your family members love you. They absolutely love you. There could be a family member that's obsessed with you and your life and your friends, but your family members feel like you're always on the go. They can't hold you down. Especially for some of you, if you are in a new relationship, your family members see you as taken, or someone that will be taken, because they do see you as a great catch, and they see you as a great parent if you've got children. So how do your family members see you? So your family members feel like you are starting out in an environment, a job, or they may feel like you are at the same position in a job. You haven't progressed. Your family members may feel like you don't want to leave a job. They may feel like you're quite stuck. There's something about being stuck in an environment, in a workplace. Your family members may feel like you are very competitive. So you could be competitive at work, but at the same time, there's a contrast, because even though you're competitive at work, there's an energy of you not wanting to expand, not wanting to evolve at this workplace. They may see you as someone that is very reserved. I'm hearing the word repressed in some cases. Your family members may feel like you are, I'm hearing not your usual self, or that you are very sad. Some of you could unfortunately be suffering from depression, but your family members are tying the work that you are in as causing this, sadness that you are experiencing. So your family members may feel like your job is making you unhappy, or they may feel like if you moved to another workplace, or if you expanded in that workplace, maybe you won't be happy. Your family members don't understand why you are staying at a workplace that they feel is not making you happy. They feel like this workplace is having an effect on your emotions. Your family members may feel like you are quite open, quite vocal, but you're not very vocal. There's something, it's like the elephant in the room. So they may feel like you pretend that things are fine when they're not, and they link it to work. They feel like you spend most of your time at work, or that work is making you unhappy, and they just feel to themselves like if you weren't at that job, then you'll be more happier. If you expanded, and maybe for some of you, you may feel like you can't expand at that workplace, but at the same time, your family members feel like, why are you working there? There's something about work and it affecting you emotionally. Now, obviously, if you work too much, it is going to affect anyone, but they genuinely feel that this workplace is not healthy for you because it's affecting your emotions, whereby even if you are present around them, they feel like you're distracted. They feel like your mind is on work. They may feel like you're married to this job, or there's an energy of competitiveness for some reason. Or you may feel like you have to hold on to this job. So you may talk about work a lot, and you may talk about some type of targets that you need to meet, or I feel like work takes over your life, but at the same time, your family members feel like this work is draining you. It's not making you happy, but generally your family members enjoy you. They enjoy spending time with you, but this could be a thing. They may feel like if this job, this workplace, this environment, because they feel like this environment is draining you. They feel like it's not good for you. And they feel like if this job or this workplace was out of the picture, maybe they feel like you should cut down your hours. You could spend more time with them. They would like to spend more time with you. They would like to, have more, I'm hearing dinner dates, go out to restaurants, have family holidays, but they feel like they can't because you're more focused on this job that's making you unhappy. You don't want to expand in this job. It's like you want to stay stuck for some reason, and there's an energy of not wanting to. And maybe if they mentioned anything about, oh, do you think that you should possibly work less hours, they may have been confronted with aggression. They may feel like they can't ask you, or they can't suggest, because maybe when they did, you got very angry, or they feel like you will get very angry, but they don't understand. Your family members are quite confused with you. I'm about to say part number two. We could say part one, part two, part three. But for this part of the reading, whoever resonates, your family members feel quite confused as to why you're in this job. Maybe they feel like you should cut down your hours. For some of you, they feel like you should move to another job and maybe work part-time. And they also, for some of you, may feel like you're very talented, so maybe you should think about starting a family business. They'll be more than happier to help, as long as they get to spend more time with you, is what I'm picking up. But they may feel like you don't want to spend time with them. They may feel like you're bored, you prefer to be elsewhere, and they feel like that elsewhere is work. It's what I'm picking up. Okay, so what does your family members think about you? I feel as if they may feel that you're living quite recklessly. Like, your family members, they're quite concerned about you. They feel like there's a lack of stability. They may feel like if you are dating, you're not dating the right type of partner. I'm hearing F-boy, F-girl. Knight of Wands is not the most stable partner, but they may feel like you like excitement. They may feel like you like going out all the time. And this is what their family member feels, yeah? Please take what resonates, leave the rest. But they may feel like you are into the party scene a lot. You don't want to settle down with anyone. You want this fast life, or you may overindulge. They just feel like there's a chaotic way that you live your life and you don't want to stop. They may also feel as if you need to focus and make a plan about your future. They feel like you're not really invested in your future. You're just focused on the here and now. And sometimes it's okay to be focused on the here and now, but there's the energy of them thinking that you're living your life recklessly. Maybe some family members have seen pictures on social media. It could be a specific family member that spies on your social media or something of this sort, but they feel like you're not planting any seeds for the future. And this could be in regards to your romantic partner. They may feel like whoever you're dating is not the type of person that you should be dating. You should think twice. This person, whoever you're dating, may not be long term. So there could be judgment around your relationship. Your family members, whoever knows about this relationship, if you are in a relationship, or some of you may not be in a relationship, they feel there's a lot of judgment here from your family members in regards to how you live your life. If you're dating someone, they judge your partner, your choice of partner. They may feel like you guys look cute together, but is this partner long term? Has this partner, confessed about wanting to settle down? Are you wasting your time? Are you living your life frivolously? Your family members do see you as very strong and powerful, and someone that is a person that knows what they want. They feel like you are headstrong, so they don't really want to rock the boat, but they are very concerned, and they don't really think that this choice of partner, they think that you're making the wrong choice, because they may think that if you're looking for something short term, then they get why you're with this person. But if you're looking for something long term, or they may feel like this person's not looking to invest, to get married, to settle down, lay down roots, or you might not be wanting that yourself, and still there's judgment around that. But your family members feel like you know what you're doing. They have to trust that you know what you're doing, but they feel like whoever you're with, this person is not serious. This person is not going to bring you peace, and this person is not, for some of you, I'm hearing that your family member may have wanted you to date like a boss or a CEO or a manager, someone in a position of power, and they, whoever you're dating, if they know, even if they are telling, because there's someone that's spying, there's someone that knows that you're dating someone, right? They may feel like by this stage in your life, we would have met your partner if you were in a relationship. Some of you are in a relationship, but you're keeping it quiet because you know your family's expectations, and you know that your family's going to judge. And your family members are feeling like, oh, they're not with someone that's powerful, or they're not with, they want you to date someone that is in a high position, because in their view, it will keep the family's name afloat. You know, maybe you come from a prestigious family where, you know, your parents are like doctors or CEOs or something like this, or scientists. They want you to carry on that tradition. And it doesn't have to be your parents, maybe your aunties and uncles, they're all in very respected professions, and they may be thinking to themselves, they're not dating anyone, because if they were, they would have presented the person to the family. So they're possibly just peeing around, like they're possibly just dating around, right? For some of you, I feel like your family members feel, for some of you, yeah, there could be someone that has an inkling. They just feel like they've seen you around with someone and they're thinking, oh, I know that's their partner, I know that's their girl, I know that's their guy. And they're disappointed because they're thinking, no good, you know. And for some of you, your family members feel like you won't get someone that is like in a position of power. And the thing is, you could be with someone that you love. They don't have to be like a manager or a boss or a doctor or a lawyer or something like this. But this is what your family members want you to be. You could be with someone that is very charismatic, very handsome, very powerful, you know, hardworking. And titles don't mean nothing to you because you're both in love, right? But your family members, they could be quite distant towards you, not because of your choice of partner, but they could be quite, it's like there's a coldness. Your family members are quite cold towards you because they feel like, just like, you could come from a quite a controlling, a very judgmental family, and they place a lot of expectations onto you, and you may have felt like you don't meet those expectations, and you may have rebelled. So they see you as very rebellious and not sticking to, you know, especially if you've got Saggy in your chart, if you're Sagittarius, right? Like, you can't really tame a Sagittarius, but they see you as, I'm hearing, a bit of a problem. Like, you're very rebellious, you're doing your own thing. Some of them know that you're dating someone, and there's a lot of judgment and critique, but your family members may feel like you're stubborn and you're going to do things your own way. So there might be a bit of coldness here, or your family members may feel like you're a bit detached. You don't tell them much. You don't care if they're disappointed. It's like an unspoken thing. Like, maybe they know you're dating a person and it's not to their standard, but you don't care, but it's still unspoken. So they see you as someone that is, they're quite intimidated. They don't want to question. They know they can't control you, basically, even if they are quite a controlling family, but they know they can't control you. But yeah, that's what I have for what your family members feel about you. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. You or your family members could be of the signs, or the people I've mentioned that belong to your family could be of the signs: Taurus, Libra, Pisces, Cancer, Aquarius, Virgo again, Sagittarius, Libra, Gemini, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. I'll speak to you soon, butterflies. Take care.